guys sick of changing tyres yet?
Nah, not yet. Yeah, still got a few more to go with, so. I'm on a second, and this is my original one. I figured I might as well kill it too. It deserves it.
So here this bike's for sale, mate. Only ridden on Sundays and Saturdays. And some spare coolant. Nice. Come on guys. Enjoy that. Body more.
Street Fighter things go, the bikes that I've seen this year, it's almost like it prompts them to build better bikes, you know. The bikes I've seen this year are just outstanding. And it's great that there's that much talent out there, and the fact that we're bringing it together, that's what really makes me happy, you know. That's all I wanted from the start. I knew people were out there, I just wanted somewhere they could all meet. And this is a weekend for it, you know. See, the Australian Street Fighter scene, it's always been a bit behind as far as the rest of the world's concerned. I mean, if you go to Europe, you know, Germany's light years ahead, even ahead of the guys that started, you know, the English guys, they really had it in the bag. But Australia's just picked up, really picked up. I mean, I've been doing this for 10 years. When I first started, I used to get people bagging me, what are you doing with that cardboard box bike? There's pieces falling off it. I said, no, mate, I plan to do that, you know, and they couldn't get their head around it. And slowly but surely, this stuff's just picked up. And the last 2-3 years, I've just seen a massive boom in it. You know, popularity's grown, it's gone crazy. Bikes are showing up everywhere. I used to ride through town and see, well, one slightly modified bike. Now I'm seeing hundreds of the things. It's a new culture. It's coming, it's taken a while, but man, is it taken off. This country's really rocked in the head. And not only that, I mean, the Americans are taking note, the English guys are taking note. I mean, there's guys that are coming to us saying, you know, you're one of the premier sites in the world, the stuff you're doing on your website. And like, it's because there's so much talent in this country, you know? Australians are just really good with their hands. I know it sounds crazy, but they are. The stuff they come out with is amazing.
This event just keeps getting bigger and bigger, and you know, last year we had the stunt guys, and they were just going nuts all weekend in the drags. And this year we've added the freestyle guys, supercross guys, and the dyno, and the bigger show and shine event. So yeah, it's just growing and growing, and it can only be good for it. Only be good for the scene.
Weekend's been really good. I'd like to thank, another plug, I'd like to thank Ritalin for supporting the event. Been lots of really good spectators. It's really good for Streetfighters to get the whole of Australia to see that side of motorcycling and that side of customs.
Yeah, well, I'm an engineer, so I get into it, you know, and it's a bit smaller than what I normally design, but it's, you know, I get to do whatever I want. Yeah, it's the freedom. So
it's been great. Plenty of people here, so hopefully next year will be bigger and better.
I'd like to say hi to my mum and thanks heaps for the swing arm.